Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining us. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're going to do a wash and go with some OGs in the natural community. We're going to start off with some Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, the hibiscus line, and we're going to use the Eco Styler Gel, olive oil Eco Styler Gel, which is my favorite. I have the Jamaican black castor oil, but for wash and goes, I definitely prefer my Eco Styler Gel. So stay tuned. We're going to get started on my wash with a clay wash. So I'll be back. So I just deep conditioned my hair with a Rasol Clay mud wash along with the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey deep conditioner, and I rinsed it out, did a leave-in conditioner. It's the Cream of Nature Pure Honey line. I really like the smell of this conditioner, so I did apply that in the shower, and I had a shower cap on until I was ready to go. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So right here, I am putting on the Jamaican black castor oil over this section, and then I am just going to make sure that's rubbed in. I like to use that as a base before I apply the gel and the defining product. So now I'm going to detangle it. I don't normally detangle it with the comb, but you'll see I do something a little different this time. I use the brush as well. And honestly, I don't normally get the best clumped curls when I use the brush. But we'll see how this will turn out, y'all. So now I'm going to apply the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I like to apply this over the whole section. And then as you see, separate it down into a smaller, more workable section and apply a nice thick layer of my gel, y'all. It's so important to get those roots and to get those ends. Just keep working it through there until you get the definition that you're looking for. So I actually like it when it straightens out like that, because that's how I know I'm going to get some very defined clumped curls. Excuse me, my nose was itching and I didn't want to scratch it. As you can see, I really take my time with this, and don't be afraid to apply some more gel. I'm going to go ahead and let that sit. Let me give y'all a close-up though of what it looks like. So this is when it starts out. That's going to give me frizz if I leave it like that. So I go back over it with some more gel and really make sure that that gel is covering it. So that's what I'm saying. Don't be afraid to add some more gel. Look at that difference. That's going to give me a defined, that's going to give me a defined curl. So now that I finished with that section, I'm going to start the process all over again, re-wet, make sure my hair is nice and wet, apply the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Cream, do my Denman brush. I don't know why I was using that Denman brush so much, but you'll see. You see I broke it down to a smaller section and then really worked the gel through there again. So at this point, it's just repetition. All throughout my hair, I do the same process. Keep applying gel until I see all the frizz is gone. Go ahead and pin it down. And so I pin it down at the roots just to kind of keep it flat to my head until I'm ready for it to be fluffed out, because I like to think that it stops my hair from shrinking. So I don't know what y'all think. Do you use that method? I can't say that I use it all the time, so. So right here you can see that my hair shrunk up quite a bit in comparison to how it started. Now that I'm working my way to the front, I'm just trying to move the hair out of my way, but look at the difference. That is what a dimming brush will do for you. So if you don't want to deal with extra shrinkage, then I would not suggest using the dimming brush. Hey guys, so this is the final product of my wash and go. I had to do a voiceover because you couldn't hear me that well. I did sit under the dryer for about 30 minutes. As you can see, my curls are pretty defined. It's a little fluffy on the side, but it's not too bad, and there is a little bit of a gel cap. First day here. First day hair isn't always the best shape, but we're getting there. You can always see kind of this side is more frizzy and this side is a little bit more laid. But that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.